it's also just the mentality of the company to be much more progressive in terms of not to be just an order taker, to be an expert in the products. So to make product recommendations, absolutely critical for us. I'm a research analyst by trade, so a lot of times I'm doing a lot of that sleuthing around, but at the end of the day, when you start getting the business rolling, you suddenly have a lot less time to be a research analyst, and you're just fighting the fires of running your business, scheduling and deploying, projects, sales. All of a sudden everything is busy. Now all of a sudden I can't dedicate the time to knowing what's a new product out there, what's the new solar panels, and are they worth it, and efficiency, and what's more importantly like inverters, and even just to really commodity products like racking. So that's where CivicSolar really came into place. Not only did they have an in-house resource that was really critical to our success, they had Stuart Fox, who we had consulted with many times. He would work pro bono, meaning kind of he worked, to promote CivicSolar and give us a lot of advice as we were bidding on large commercial projects, for example. But then also at the sales level, you would have people that were really well versed in, the products that we were using, and they would know us and know what kind of our product set is and how that works, and suggest alternatives. So that's where CivicSolar's expertise, and they're certainly set them apart from a lot of the other distributors or the other salespeople that were out there in the market.